What if you could make $950 per day online by doing something as simple as copying and pasting links? I'm talking about a straightforward system, no special skills needed, no tech expertise required, and best of all, no need to ever show your face on camera. This method is so simple and easy to follow that even a 10-year-old could pull it off. Now, I get it. You're probably skeptical right now. You're probably thinking, is this just another too good to be true scheme? But let me stop you right there, because today I'm going to break down, step by step, exactly how this method works. Not only that, but I'll also share real-life examples, proof of earnings, and introduce you to people who are currently making up to $5,000 a day doing exactly what I'm about to show you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to start earning online immediately. No website, no YouTube channel necessary, unless you choose to have one. And absolutely no prior experience required. Let's jump right into why trending topics are the ultimate secret to making serious money online. You see, trending topics naturally pull massive audiences because these topics are what people are actively looking for. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Google push trending content in front of millions of viewers. This means when you leverage these trends, your chances of getting your content in front of a huge audience skyrockets. Let's look at the faceless YouTube channel called Viral Now. This channel currently has over 770,000 subscribers, and their estimated monthly earnings are an incredible $177,000, with daily earnings peaking around $5,900 per day. The craziest part about Viral Now, they don't even create original content. They simply repurpose trending content directly from Google and YouTube. Another amazing example is Brightside, a massive faceless educational channel. Brightside is estimated to make tens of thousands of dollars every single day. And guess what? They don't film themselves, and they don't appear on camera either. All they do is repurpose trending topics from Google and YouTube into simple videos. Now let's jump into the exact step-by-step process that you can follow right now to start making $950 a day copying and pasting links. Step 1. Finding viral content to copy and paste. The very first step in our system is to identify content that's already gaining massive popularity. This is critical because trending content naturally attracts large audiences eager to engage with information that's currently buzzing. To do this effectively, we're going to leverage two powerful platforms: YouTube for popular video content and Google News for hot trending articles. Start by going directly to YouTube and exploring popular channels in niches such as education, health, business, technology, and entertainment. Look specifically for channels that consistently get millions of views on their videos. For instance, TED, an educational YouTube channel, consistently produces videos that receive millions of views and generates thousands of dollars daily purely through ad revenue. Once you locate a video that's getting exceptional views and engagement, simply copy the video's link. This link will serve as the foundation of the content you're going to repurpose. Next, let's move over to Google News, another goldmine for trending content. Google News compiles real-time trending articles from various categories such as business, technology, sports, health, and entertainment. Browse these categories to find the most current and captivating articles that have high viewer interest. The key here is to select articles that are trending right now, which ensures that your content stays relevant and highly searchable. When you find a promising article that's generating significant buzz and reader engagement, copy the article URL. Just like the video link, this URL will become another powerful content source you'll transform into engaging original videos. By mastering this simple method of finding and copying trending content links from YouTube and Google News, you're already laying a strong foundation for your online success. Once you've gathered these trending links, you're ready to effortlessly convert them into highly engaging videos that attract viewers and generate income. Step 2. Creating viral videos with AI, no editing required. Now that you've gathered your trending content links from YouTube and Google News, the next step is transforming these links into engaging, professional quality videos that viewers can't resist. You might think creating videos requires complicated software, expensive tools, or extensive editing skills, but I'm here to tell you that it doesn't. Today, AI technology makes video creation incredibly simple, quick, and entirely hands-off. To begin, you'll use an advanced yet user-friendly AI video creation tool, such as InVideo.io, Synthesia.io, or Pictory.ai. These platforms are specifically designed to take written text or video links and convert them into fully produced videos automatically. This means no camera, no filming, and absolutely no manual editing needed. For example, let's say you've selected a viral educational video link from TED-Ed on a popular health topic. Simply head over to your chosen AI platform and select the Create AI Video feature. Next, you'll input a short but clear prompt such as create a 2-minute animated educational video based on the following YouTube video link. Then paste your previously copied link directly into the provided field. Within moments, the AI starts working its magic. First, it extracts the main ideas from the original video or article. Then, it rewrites the content to ensure uniqueness, clarity, and strong audience engagement. After this step, the AI automatically selects appropriate animations, visuals, and transitions that perfectly match your rewritten script, resulting in a seamless and visually appealing video. Additionally, these platforms come equipped with a variety of high-quality voiceover options. You can choose from numerous professional voices in different languages and accents, making your videos even more appealing to diverse audiences worldwide. The AI synchronizes the voiceover precisely with your visuals, enhancing viewer retention and ensuring your content flows naturally. Once completed, your video will also include background music, subtly enhancing its overall quality and engagement factor. All these sophisticated features require absolutely zero effort from you, beyond simply pasting the link and setting your initial instructions. Within just minutes, you have a polished, professional video ready to upload and captivate audiences online. This powerful AI-driven method completely revolutionizes content creation. Even without technical know-how or expensive editing software, you can consistently produce videos at scale. By streamlining the entire production process, you free yourself from hours of manual editing, enabling you to focus more on strategic tasks like growing your channel, optimizing your content, and maximizing your earnings. Embracing AI video creation is undoubtedly a game changer. It not only simplifies content production, but also allows anyone, even complete beginners, to quickly produce captivating videos that drive massive traffic and generate substantial income online. With your videos created effortlessly through AI, you're now perfectly positioned to upload and scale your channel rapidly. Step 3. Uploading and growing your channel. Once your videos are ready and looking professional thanks to AI, it's now time to get them uploaded and start building your online presence. Uploading your videos effectively involves more than just clicking publish. To gain traction quickly, you must consistently post videos and optimize them to attract maximum attention. Start by setting up a clear and compelling YouTube channel that immediately communicates the value viewers can expect. Customize your channel's banner, profile picture, and about section with concise, keyword-rich descriptions that clearly outline your channel's focus. This will help you attract subscribers and encourage viewers to explore your content further. When uploading your videos, focus on crafting engaging titles and thumbnails that grab viewers' attention instantly. Your title should always include trending keywords relevant to the video's content, increasing your chances of appearing prominently in search results. Additionally, creating visually appealing thumbnails with clear, bold text and vibrant colours will significantly boost your click-through rates. Another critical aspect is the description of your videos. Always write detailed descriptions that include your targeted keywords naturally integrated into sentences. This practice enhances your video's discoverability on both YouTube and Google search results. Furthermore, including links to related content, social media profiles, or even affiliate offers in the description can also help increase engagement and monetization potential. Step 4. Advanced strategies for maximizing profits. To further amplify your earnings potential, let's discuss some advanced strategies you can employ once you've mastered the basics of creating and uploading content. A crucial step is mastering analytics. YouTube provides detailed analytics that allows you to see exactly which videos are performing best, what your audience retention looks like, and the demographics of your viewers. Use this information to refine your strategy, create highly targeted content, and improve viewer retention. Another highly effective tactic involves cross-promoting your content on other social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Sharing short clips or highlights from your YouTube videos can attract audiences from different platforms to your main channel, significantly increasing your views and subscriber count. Each social platform has unique advantages, so tailor your content appropriately to each audience for maximum impact. Additionally, creating playlists of related videos on your YouTube channel can dramatically boost watch time. Playlists encourage viewers to binge watch your content, keeping them engaged longer and increasing the likelihood they'll subscribe. Remember, longer watch sessions send positive signals to YouTube's algorithm, greatly increasing your chances of being recommended to more viewers. You might also consider collaborating with other creators who have similar content. Collaborations expose your channel to entirely new audiences, rapidly expanding your reach and boosting your credibility. Reach out to creators whose audiences align closely with yours and propose mutually beneficial content exchanges or joint projects. Another proven approach is leveraging affiliate marketing within your videos. You can recommend products or services related to your video's content and include affiliate links in your descriptions. When viewers make purchases through your links, you earn commissions, creating an additional passive income stream alongside your YouTube ad revenue. Finally, consider periodically conducting giveaways or contests to stimulate audience interaction and excitement around your channel. Engaging your viewers with interactive events can significantly boost your channel's popularity and visibility. Implementing these advanced strategies alongside your foundational steps of creating AI-generated content and consistently uploading optimized videos can exponentially increase your income potential, putting you on track to surpass your initial earnings goal of $950 per day. As you continue to apply these proven tactics, you will quickly see your channel thrive and your income soar, helping you achieve the financial freedom you've always wanted. Consistency is key when building your channel. Aim to upload regularly, ideally multiple times a week or even daily if possible. Regular uploads signal to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active and worth promoting, dramatically increasing your chances of being recommended to a broader audience. Engaging with your audience directly through comments also significantly boosts your video's visibility. Encourage your viewers to comment by asking specific questions during your videos or requesting feedback. Be proactive by responding to comments promptly, creating a sense of community and connection with your viewers, thus encouraging repeat visits and higher engagement levels. As your channel begins to gain momentum, you'll quickly qualify for YouTube's monetization program, allowing you to earn revenue directly from ads placed within your videos. However, don't stop there. Consider additional revenue streams such as affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and product promotions, all of which can significantly increase your daily earnings. Finally, analyze your video analytics regularly to see which content is performing best and why. Use this data to refine your strategy, consistently creating and uploading videos that resonate most with your audience. By continually optimizing and expanding your approach based on real-time insights, you'll see exponential growth and begin to build a reliable income stream that consistently hits your target of $950 per day or more. Step 5. Potential risks and important notes. While the method described here offers significant earning potential, it's crucial to be aware of some potential risks involved. One significant concern is copyright infringement. When repurposing content, always ensure you're not directly copying or reproducing copyrighted material. Content creators hold copyrights to their original works, so you must significantly transform or recreate content using your own or AI-generated unique scripts and visuals to stay within legal boundaries. Additionally, depending entirely on trending content can lead to fluctuating viewership and income. Trends come and go quickly, meaning you must continually adapt to new topics and maintain a flexible content strategy. Relying solely on trends without establishing a unique value proposition could leave your channel vulnerable to sudden drops in viewer interest. Another risk involves YouTube's community guidelines and monetization policies. Violating YouTube's guidelines, even unintentionally, could result in demonetization, limited exposure, or in severe cases, channel termination. Regularly review and adhere strictly to these guidelines to avoid disruptions to your income stream. Finally, be cautious of over-dependence on automated tools. AI-generated content is convenient and powerful, but occasional quality checks are necessary. Poorly generated scripts or visuals can negatively affect audience retention and subscriber trust. Understanding and proactively managing these risks will ensure your long-term success and sustainability. Always strive for original, high-quality content, remain adaptable to changing trends, and respect copyright laws to maximize your earnings safely and effectively. In conclusion, taking action today is crucial if you want to transform this opportunity into a profitable reality. The methods I've shared are proven and highly effective. With minimal effort and absolutely no special skills, you can quickly begin generating significant online income. It's all about taking those first steps, finding trending content, creating engaging videos effortlessly with AI, and consistently uploading optimized content. Remember, countless successful creators started exactly where you are right now, hesitant but hopeful. Their success came from moving past skepticism and embracing action. So if you're ready to start earning substantial income online, seize this moment. Don't let doubt hold you back. Comment $950 a day below right now if you're committed and ready to see real results. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more proven strategies, and hit the notification bell to stay informed on even more profitable opportunities. Start today. Your financial future awaits.